Hello everyone, it's Catherine here from Lullaby Lodge. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the granny flower square. We're going to start by putting a slip knot onto our hook and chaining 4. Then join with a slip stitch to that first chain to form a ring. Now we're going to chain 3. This counts as our first double crochet. And we're going to go and put 11 more double crochets into the ring. For a total of 12 double crochet. Then we're going to join with a slip stitch to the top of that chain 3. Now I'm going to fasten off here and change colours. Okay, let's start round 2. I'm going to insert my hook in between stitches and pull up the new colour and chain 3. Now I'm going to put another double crochet into the same space, and then in the next space between stitches 2 double crochet. Oh, this cotton yarn is a bit splitty. And I'm going to repeat that all the way around until I have 2 double crochet in each space. Then we're going to join with a slip stitch to the top of that chain 3 and fasten off. We're now ready to start round 3. I'm going to put my hook in the space between the clusters of stitches, pull my new colour through and chain 3. I'm going to put 2 double crochet in the same space, and then 3 double crochet in each space around. So I've gone ahead and put a granny cluster or 3 double crochet into each space, and I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the top of this chain 3 and fasten off. Now we're now ready to turn our circle into a square, so I'm going to go between the clusters and join in this new colour and chain 3. I'm going to put 2 double crochet in the same space, then I'm going to put a treble crochet into the next space. So for a treble you yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 2 more trebles into that space, chain 2, and then 3 trebles all into that same space to make our corner. So in the next space I'm going to put 3 double crochet, and in the following space also 3 double crochet. Then we're back at our next corner, so each time you get to a corner it's going to be 3 trebles, chain 2 3 trebles. Then we'll have 2 groups of double crochet, granny clusters, another corner, 2 granny clusters, another corner, and another granny cluster. Now I'm going to add around a single crochet to the square. It helps to make the edges a little bit neater. So rather than chaining 1 to make your turning chain for a single crochet, I'm just going to slightly elongate the loop there and then put a single crochet in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a single crochet in each stitch across each side. And when I get to the corner, I'm going to put 3 single crochet in each corner. Watch out for this stitch here, sometimes it can be a little bit easy to miss. So continue across each side, single crochet in each stitch and 3 single crochet in each corner. Once you've worked all the way around, then just join with a slip stitch to that first single crochet. Now if you need any more details or information, be sure to check out the accompanying blog post. I also have blanket patterns on my blog using this square. I will link them both below. And also if you would like to know how to join your squares together, then make sure you subscribe, because I will be making video tutorials to show you just that. And if you liked this video, then why not watch my Granny Square tutorial playlist right here on YouTube. Bye bye now.